So RAC warranty for this Cupra. We've seen quite a lot of these for the same problem now. So basically on the dash there's a coolant overheat and the HV battery has cut off from that side because it isn't being cooled anymore. On these vehicles they have two coolant bottles, one for the engine coolant and one for the HV system, the high voltage system, and as you can quite clearly see the high voltage one is now empty. And the reason for this is this heat exchanger here, which runs through the coolant of the car and also the air conditioning. It can be quite intermittent, but as you can clearly see on this, the bottle is empty, so it is happening. So that heat exchanger there needs replacing. It's only available at the dealer. When the heat exchanger leaks, pressurized refrigerant may seep into the coolant. That coolant bottle there. The increased pressure can cause the coolant to be squeezed out of the small container. And as I say, it's empty, so the coolant is now missing. It's critical if there is a lack of coolant in the small container, as the coolant circuit must cool the high voltage parts, including the high voltage battery. So on this one, we're going to need to replace the heat exchanger, and also when we're bleeding this car, it must be bled through the diagnostic equipment, and also there is a power down procedure for the high voltage system. So yeah, that's just for that.